Hello everyone, how are you friends? In today's video, I am going to tell you about a particular problem. Every time while downloading an app from the Play Store, this kind of problem comes up. How to solve it? Then let's go to the mobile screen. If your Play Store has this problem, how to fix it? First, hold on the Play Store. Click on this icon. Select storage option, clear data and cache. Click on force stop option. Click on three dots and uninstall update. Now try again. This method is 100% okay now. Your Play Store will start working.